Honda has unveiled the facelifted 2024 HR-V, known as the Vezel in Japan, introducing subtle changes to the B-segment crossover's exterior and interior design along with a few feature additions. On the outside, the Vezel has followed a style trend we recently saw with the facelifted Toyota Corolla Cross. The front grille has been revised with the horizontal slats paint matched to the bumper, making it look more integrated with the whole assembly. There's also a bigger gap between the upper and lower grille, but the rest of the design in front has been carried over. At the back, the Vezel also gets a redesigned light signature on its LED taillights, while the new outdoorsy Hunt package adds a roof rack and orange-colored inserts to the body of the crossover. Wheel designs, on the other hand, remain unchanged. Inside the cabin, the overall layout and ergonomics remain familiar with small tweaks contributing to a more user-friendly and organized interior. The center console has undergone a redesign and is now equipped with upper and lower tray cubby trays. The 2024 Honda Vezel continues with its 7-inch digital instrument cluster and 9-inch infotainment display. In terms of safety and driver assistance, the 2024 Vezel now features an upgraded Honda Sensing Advanced Driver Assistance System suite. This includes 3 new features: Traffic Jam Assist for smoother driving in congested areas, Adaptive Driving Beam for enhanced visibility during night driving, and Sudden Acceleration Suppression function for added safety during unexpected acceleration scenarios. In Japan, powertrain options remain the same. The entry-level models use the familiar 1.5-liter IV-Tech engine, although the home market version makes 117 horsepower and 142 Nm of torque, mated to a CVT. The other is the 1.5-liter eHEV hybrid with 129 brake horsepower and 253 Nm of torque. There are some improvements made to the hybrid drive system. Its energy management control has been updated to make for a smoother and quieter driving experience. Honda also claims that the throttle response picks up better because of the tweaks.